In this section, we're going to look at planning for a Microsoft Teams infrastructure. As you may know, Teams is more or less ubiquitous in modern Microsoft 365 environments. It is enabled by default for all Microsoft 365 tenants. If desired, you can selectively disable it, either via the Microsoft 365 Admin Center or by using PowerShell. Otherwise, it's available to all of your users. Your primary point of administration is the Teams Admin Center, which provides tenant-wide policy-based configuration. To help you get started, the Teams Advisor tool can help guide creation of appropriate policies and configurations. It's accessible in the Admin Center by expanding the Planning category and selecting Teams Advisor. Although many organizations use it exclusively for messaging and online collaboration, Teams can also support voice communication, either entirely in software or integrated with specialized telephony hardware. If you plan to use Teams in this way, the Teams Admin Center includes a set of tools for managing voice communication. The Call Quality Dashboard provides a network-wide view of call quality. Call Analytics allows you to monitor and troubleshoot call and meeting quality for individual users, and Teams can also allow you to insert quality of service markers into real-time traffic so that your other network components can prioritize it. If you want to allow Teams to manage all of your organization's telephony, you can deploy Microsoft 365 Teams Phone System, which provides a full software-based private branch exchange system. Using the Teams Admin Center, you can configure auto attendance, call queues, voicemail, and so forth. Phone System connects to the public switch telephone network either via the Microsoft Calling Plan service, which lets you connect to the PSTN network using Microsoft's cloud infrastructure, or via your existing telephony infrastructure. Access to Teams is not limited to users from within your own Microsoft 365 tenancy. If members of your organization want to use Teams to collaborate with members of partner organizations, you can grant guest access to users from other Azure AD tenancies or users with Microsoft accounts. Adding a guest to a team is a straightforward process. A team owner or someone with Microsoft 365 admin privileges adds a guest to a team, specifying the guest's Microsoft 365 email account address or third-party email address. The guest receives a welcome email. If the guest has a Microsoft 365 Work or School account, they can accept the invitation and authenticate directly. Users with third-party email addresses are sent a one-time passcode to validate their identity. Teams is built from the ground up to be extensible. Team members can use connectors to integrate Teams with external services. A channel can be set up to get feeds from RSS feeds, Trello, GitHub, DevOps, Google Analytics, and dozens of other services.